There's a Father's Day sale at Laptop Exchange in Montclair. Save an extra 10% on a laptop computer. Save 20% on repair services. You can buy, sell, and trade computers here. You'll save money here.
We also buy computer. You can also trade your computer with a new one. And we also do the servicing and upgrading.
That's right, they service and repair laptop and desktop computers. And Laptop Exchange can repair smartphones and tablets. They give free repair estimates. Used laptops start at $99, and they have pricier models also. Apple computers are here, as well as accessories. There's a 90-day warranty. They have a buyback policy. Laptop Exchange also has layaways. Laptop Exchange has a lease-to-own program. And remember, this is a national company, but this is the only store in California. Laptop Exchange, 9748 Central Avenue, Montclair, 909-625-5747.